Alright, so we're gonna go up into this side, this tree here. This one is quick. This will be very fast. And not just fast because, you know, I was working fast, but I guess it was just fast because I did it efficiently. I guess, like, I don't really know how to explain it. Because you can't really work fast when you're doing true work, you know what I'm saying? It's like you gotta work within your experience level and the experience level of the others around you. So having other guys that know, like what you know, helps beyond what words can explain. It really does. It matters a lot. Experience on the job matters.